Hi guys, welcome back to Queen Lee's channel. Today guys, I'm going to be sharing with you how I prepare my sweet chili prawn. And for this I have a bowl here of already washed prawns with the shell on it and the heads. So here I have a bowl of prawns. These are some black king prawns already washed guys with vinegar. And now I am going to just go in with some black pepper. Guys, this takes minimal seasoning, to be honest. You just only need some black pepper, which I'm putting in now, some salt, a bit of chili powder guys, because remember it's going to be sweet chili, so you can put as much chili as you like or maybe less. I'm also going to use sweet chili seeds, so you know it's going to be really hot. So now I'm going to go in guys with a bit of crushed chili, and make sure you're wearing your gloves when you're doing this dish because it's going to be spicy, hot. And then I'm going to go in with a bit of my fish seasoning. At this point guys, you're going to go in wearing your gloves and marinate your prawn. Try to rub all the ingredients in gently, because remember sometimes there can be some sharp edges on the prawn head. If you look there, you can see it. You don't want it to stick you. I love to leave my heads of my prawn because I love eating the heads of the prawn. So that is why I didn't take it off. So it depends on the dish that I'm making. I will leave the head on or take it off. So that's what your prawn looks like guys when it's marinated. And then we're just going to leave it to sit for at least an hour in order for the dry ingredients to absorb into the shell of our prawn. Okay, so we're going to cover and let it sit for at least an hour. So guys, I'm back and our prawns are still marinating. So now I'm just going to add a bit of butter to my already heated frying pan. And I'm going to be using 3 tablespoons of butter. Make sure your stove is on medium heat guys. I'm going to be using some garlic. I need to caramelize my garlic and I don't want it to burn, because you know how it is when garlic burn, right? So yeah, you need to be doing this on medium heat. So I'm melting the butter to start my batter for our prawn dish. So now I'm going to go in with my garlic, which is already nicely washed and diced finely. So here guys, I'm just making the base for my sweet chili prawn. You can smell the flavor of the garlic already infused with the butter. Very nice. So while the garlic is being caramelized, I'm going to go in. Look at that guys. I'm going to go in with my onion, which is already washed and diced also. And once you get it to that nice caramelized color that you want, you go in and then add your pepper, your sweet, not sweet, your chili peppers. Mix it around. So now I'm gonna add my sweet. I keep on saying sweet, but you know it's chili pepper. So we're gonna add our chili pepper, guys. And this is 2 chili pepper, green and orange, with the seeds in it. I didn't take out the seeds because I need it to be really spicy. I've gone in and left the seeds into the pepper because I need this dish to be really spicy. You can use the seeds, you cannot. It's optional for you guys, right? Because I know some of you might not like it too spicy. Okay, so it's your choice. Okay, guys? So now we're at the stage where everything is being caramelized. I'm just going to go in with 2 tablespoons of honey. What does it do? So the honey, guys, start the process of the sweetness of our chili dish. So honey garnish with the garlic and the onion and the pepper, look at that, will give our sweet chili dish a nice flavor, juiciness, and also a nice taste and kick to it. You can smell it now, guys. The onion is giving that nice aroma. Alright, so at this point, guys, I'm going to go in now and add my prawns, which has been marinating for 1 hour. And if there's any juice you have in your bowl, you can just go ahead and tip that in, because the juice has flavor in it and you don't want to waste that nice flavor that was sitting in the bowl waiting. Okay, try and get all the seasoning infused with your prawn. And as you can see, our prawn is turning pink, and that's how you know the cooking process has begun. So we're going to leave the prawn to sit, guys, and cook for 15 minutes, and then I'm going to return, and if it's at the color that I want, I'm going to add the rest of our ingredients to our sweet chili dish. So see you back in 15 minutes, guys. So guys, I'm about to check on my prawns, and as you can see, the color has changed entirely. All the prawns have gone pink, and that's exactly how you want it to be, guys. That ensures that it is being cooked properly. Okay, so at this point, I'm just going to go in now with 2 tablespoons of white vinegar, guys. That's 1, 2. Next, I'm going to go in with another 2 spoonfuls of honey. So you know I did 2 spoons earlier on when I was caramelizing the garlic and the onion. So we're going to go in now with another 2 tablespoonful of honey. Drizzle it all over your prawn, guys. Next, I'm going to go in with more of our chili flakes, and this can be as much as you like or as little as you like. It's your choice. If you like it really spicy, then I'm quite sure you're going to add a bit more Okay, but it's all down to you guys. You're gonna eat it. You're the one eating it, okay? And you know what your taste bud can take. So we're gonna stir this in at this point. Feeling really delicious right now, guys. Should be here to smell this with me. Alright guys, next I'm just gonna put a bit of my thyme in for flavor. And then I'm going to go in with some of my sweet chili sauce. So that will help the honey to make a lovely and delicious sweet dip or sweet juice for our prawn. So at this point you can sprinkle as much sweet chili as you like, the sweet chili dip as you like, or as not as much. It's up to you guys. And if you want to know the brand of the sweet chili that I've used, the sweet chili sauce, then I'll put it in the description box for you. And guys, thank you so much if you had stayed with me this far throughout the vlog. I do appreciate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Okay guys, so my thyme is in, and I'm going to incorporate this into our pan. And you might want to make a bit of extra juice for your prawn. Maybe you want to have it with some rice or something, guys. You can just go ahead. You can just go ahead and add a bit of water to this. A bit more hot chili powder. Because then adding the water would have taken away some of that spiciness. So you add a bit more chili to make it up back, okay? So chili powder added to replace that taste or spiciness that the water may have taken away, okay? Not much, guys, because remember I just put my sweet chili sauce in. Looking gorgeous, right guys? Look at the sauce and the consistency. Look at that, guys. And it's coming up exactly how I want it. All my prawns are covered in this nice, gorgeous, beautiful, delicious looking sweet chili sauce with my thyme, guys. And at this point, guys, I'm just gonna cover it to simmer down and absorb, for the prawns to absorb all the nice juice inside of the shell. Because when I'm eating this, or when you're eating it, you can just bite into the prawn shell and everybody. You don't have to waste nothing. So now, guys, I'm just gonna put a little bit of my onion on top. Yep. And then leave it to simmer down, guys. Okay, there you go. Beautiful, guys. So we're gonna cover and leave for another 5 minutes, guys. So alright guys, I'm back and our prawn is finito cooking. So there you have it, our sweet chili prawn. But before we actually share, guys, there's one last bit that I need to do to our prawn. So I'm just going to cover it and put it aside. Then I'm just going to go in I'm using the same spoon, hope you don't mind. Yes, I'm just going to go in, guys, with a bit of garlic, scallion, and sweet pepper, along with hot chili pepper. And this is going to make a garnish for our sweet chili prawn. So I'm just going to garnish it a little bit, guys, with a bit of butter. You only need a little bit of butter, guys. You want to spread it out evenly, guys, so they can equally get a bit of color to the vegetables. Also, they can equally be caramelized, okay? So you're going to spread it out a bit. And then I'm just going to go in with a teaspoon of onion at this point. And that's to make our garnish for our sweet chili prawn, guys. Beautiful color. So you don't want it to burn, guys. You just only want it to be caramelized a bit. You get a bit of color. Guys, I'm back, and this is the finished dish for you guys. Yes, that's our sweet chili prawn. Guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching me cook this dish for you, for us I should say. And if you did, please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, and comment. And as you know, it's always one love from me to you. Thanks for watching. God bless, guys. See you in my next video. Bye.